How to fix webcam not showing in OBS PC or laptop. So if you want to fix your webcam not showing in your OBS PC or your laptop, then first make sure that your webcam is connected to your PC. Once done, the other thing you need to do is just relaunch your OBS. And after relaunching, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't work, then you can try updating OBS as well. You can just go with help in the menu bar, which is on the top left, and then select check for updates. Once you click on check for updates, then it will update your OBS, and after updating, your problem might be fixed. The next method is to restart your PC. However, you might want to do this at the end of the video after you follow some of the other methods first. There is a chance that your webcam video feed is off the screen and not showing. Try holding down the mouse and dragging it in areas outside the preview screen to see if that's where the webcam feed is. You can then drag it back on if you find it. Next thing we can do is we can try deleting the webcam input and then add it again. To delete it, you just need simply click on the sources, which is right here. And under your sources, if you've added the webcam, you just need simply right click on it and then you need to select remove. Once you've selected remove on your webcam, you can again go with the add or the plus icon and again add the webcam. But if it's still not working, then what you can do is you can just simply search for camera privacy settings. Just click on it. It will open the settings page, and within it, make sure that you allow the camera access. So go and turn it on. Once you turn it on, you need to scroll down and you need to find the OBS application right here and make sure that you allow the camera turn on for the OBS also. So once you've done with all of these, you can just go and restart your PC or your laptop, and after that, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.